Hi there, it's Chris Giles in the factory getting ready to do my gears video. Let me bring your attention to a couple things I'm doing to make sure it looks even better as I go forward. I've raised the laptop on a box to make sure my eyes are at eye level. I've got a neutral background behind me to make sure that everything looks exactly as I want it to look, almost an interview process, and I'm dressed accordingly. Throughout the interview, I will continue to look at the camera and speak to it. I'll be prepared, and I'll make sure I understand what it is I want to convey about myself and how I want to convey it. The factory video process allows us to highlight who you are and help us to build a fit as you move forward in your career. Use this process to develop who you are. Use this process to help us understand so we can build your career along with you. We can be a resource that helps define what you're looking for in your future. This process identifies you. We will use it to help you. Once you're all set, press continue below. You'll be directed to our website. We'll be asked 5 easy questions and you can start the video process. We look forward to understanding who you are so we can build your dreams and build your career. The factory is here to help. My name is Chris Giles and I wish you a wonderful day.